Junkies, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Tuesday, May 15th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, the major averages finished mixed as concerns about economic growth and trepidation ahead of key inflation data overshadowed more merger and acquisition news. As usual, investors were again greeted with another wave of M&A news Monday morning. The biggest news was confirmation that DaimlerChrysler finally found a buyer for its struggling Chrysler unit. Cerberus Capital Management agreed to acquire an 80% stake for $7.45 billion. However, since Chrysler has been on the block for 3 months and the actual price tag masks a failed $36 billion merger effort between Daimler AG and Chrysler, investors didn't get too worked up about it. Nevertheless, autos comprise the best performing S&P industry today. An analyst upgrade of General Motors contributed to the outperformance. GM's 3.6% surge accounted for nearly half of the Dow's 20-point advance. It was also reported that rival Ford Motors' founding family is mulling the divestiture of their controlling stake. Despite the strength in autos, weakness in everything from restaurants and retail to home building prevented the discretionary sector from finishing higher. Investors also exhibited a sense of caution ahead of Tuesday's consumer price index. Even worse for the bulls was the fact that today's biggest laggards were also among the most influential sectors, unfortunately. Financials, which carries the heaviest weighting on the S&P 500, paced the day lower, the Fed saying in a survey that U.S. banks dramatically tightened their lending standards over the first 3 months of 2007, took an intraday toll on the rate-sensitive sector. A J.P. Morgan strategist downgrading financials to underweight also weighed on the influential sector. Briefing.com lowered its rating on financials to underweight last month. And now for our small cap news brought to you today by Solar Enertech Corporation. Solar Enertech operates as a photovoltaic solar energy cell manufacturing company. It plans to invest in PV cell research to develop cells to use in its manufacturing processes. Innova Technology announced its partnership with IBM through its recently acquired RFID subsidiary RightTag. IBM has already purchased several RFID readers from RightTag, and RightTag has commenced development of products that will make its RFID products compatible with various RFID solutions provided by IBM. Retail RFID sales will top $4 billion by 2011, according to a report from Frost & Sullivan. The RFID industry should grow to $26.9 billion by 2015 from $1.95 billion in 2005, according to a report by Research and Markets. MathStar Incorporated will sell $25 million of common shares in an underwritten public offering. The company expects the offering to close in mid-June 2007. The shares sold in the offering will be used to cover over allotments. MathStar Incorporated is a development stage semiconductor company who engages in the design, development, and marketing of semiconductor integrated circuits or chips. And that's it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. And make sure you watch for that Quality Stocks Daily newsletter, which is available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow on the Daily Report.
You've got it.